It was Volcano Donut Day, the sugar-powered highlight of Maple Street. But Amelia Jones, junior detective and donut devotee, sniffed trouble in the air. Grandma's legendary volcano donuts, with their poof, vanished, leaving only a lonely sprinkle trail. Grandpa Gus. Amelia cried, eyes blazing like a sugar glaze. The volcano donuts are history. Volcano Donut Day is doomed. Grandpa Gus, a baking wizard with flour in his beard and mischief in his eyes, winked. Fear not, Amelia, your grandpa's on the case. We'll find those donuts faster than a sprinkle tornado. The trail led them to Mr. Muffin Bottom's shop, a gloomy fortress of sad-looking muffins. Muffin Bottom, a man with suspicious eyebrows and a hidden stash of rainbow sparkles Grandma's secret sprinkle, stuttered his way through, but Amelia wasn't convinced. Those footprints leading out the back, tiny, flour-dusted, and definitely not Muffin Bottom's size, told a different story. The kitchen held the next clue, a flour bomb oven and more tiny footprints. And then a glorious squeak revealed the culprits, the muffin munchers, a band of adorable mice with volcano donut crumbs on their whiskers. Instead of accusations, Amelia offered a deal, clean-up help in exchange for their own muffin muncher's treat. Soon, the bakery echoed with laughter and flowery chaos, a delightful symphony of teamwork and forgiveness. The grand Volcano Donut Day celebration arrived. Mr. Muffin Bottom shuffled in, clutching a plate of muffins? A peace offering, he muttered, his cheeks dusted with shame. But then Grandma's oven out popped a giant volcano donut, a sugar-dusted behemoth ready to explode with lava-like chocolate. Maple Street roared with cheers as they devoured the giant donut, a sweet victory for Amelia and Grandpa Gus. Even Mr. Muffin Bottom joined in, a sprinkle of kindness melting his muffin heart. The mystery was solved, the donuts devoured, and a valuable lesson learned. Sometimes the sweetest solutions come from unexpected places, sprinkled with a dash of understanding. Remember, young detectives, the world is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Keep your wits sharp, your taste buds ready, and your hearts open. There's always a volcano donut adventure just around the corner.